Okay, children, all of you open page number 12 of your grammar workbook. Grammar book. Okay? Yeah. Now here circle the proper nouns and underline the common nouns. Now proper nouns you know. Yeah. For special person. And common for everybody. Girls. Any girls can be there, है ना? And special girl, Priyanka, the special. Boys, all boys common. But I'll say Rajiv. That will be a proper name. So here Rajiv, Priyanka. Here I circled them and underlined. So this exercise you will see from PDF and fill your books. Alright? Now further, now we'll take collective nouns. Nouns that name a group or a class of similar things. Similar means same things. Or persons taken together are spoken as a one whole are called collective nouns. Army, herd, fleet, bunch, pack. Collective nouns are treated as single units. They can be used as common nouns. We can use them as common nouns also. They are naming words used for many animals, things, persons and places taken together as units. Example, flock of sheep, a city of rooms. Now here is an exercise. This is your homework. One time in your HW you will write this, okay? Not more, one time only. A pack of cards, dogs, wolves. A city of rooms, a team of players, a school of fish, a swarm of bees, a crew of sailors, a bunch or bouquet of flowers, a mob of people, a flock of birds, sheep, a bunch of bananas, grapes, flowers, a herd of cattle, deer, a litter of puppies, small puppies, and what we get 12? A litter, Litter, a cabinet of ministers, all ministers together, cabinet, a clump of trees, many trees together, a cluster of huts, a squadron of aeroplanes, a shoal of fish, a library of books. Here the exercise is given that you will copy from here in your books. Alright? Now page number 13. Page 13, okay? Examples. You see there will be material nouns. Nouns that name materials or substances that we see and touch or are ingredients for making things are called material nouns. Example, gold, steel, coal, copper, iron, wood, clay, cement. Material nouns are used in the singular form. They are always in singular. We cannot say golds, steels. No article is used before them. A and the, nothing is used. Example, the window is made of glass, material noun. Bring a glass of water, common. A material noun becomes a common noun when there is an article before it or if the noun is in the plural form. Now abstract nouns. Now abstract nouns are the names of ideas, thinking, whatever we can think, we can feel. These are all known as abstract nouns. It will say, show you quality, feeling, some state or a thing which cannot be touched. You cannot touch happiness. Can you touch it? No. Anger. Can you touch? Gusso. And ardai? No. Alright? Or sin are called abstract nouns. Now sweetness, honesty, bravery, heat, love, anger, height. One can see an angry person. You can see angry person. Or think of honesty. We can say, oh, honesty, sachai. We can think, but we can't touch it. But can neither touch nor see anger or honesty. Abstract nouns are names of things that cannot be touched or seen. Okay? Now here I filled the exercise for you. This will you will copy in your books. Now formation of abstract nouns. Brave plus ry, bravery. Lonely plus nes. We have to remove y. Lonely. Third this. Loneliness. This is abstract noun. And this was Simple. Now here. Friend. Noun. Friendship. Abstract noun. Heal. Heal plus th. So health. Great, greatness. Equal, equality. Now from common nouns, student, study, enemy, enmity, servant, service, festival, festivity. Okay, these all we have changed from common nouns to abstract nouns. Example, kind, kindness, able, ability, confident, confidence, generous, generosity. Alright, now you will go on page number 14. Everybody open page 14. Yeah. All the exercise I have already written, so you have to copy in your work, in your book, in your grammar. Example, grow, growth, punish, punishment, learn, learning, invent, invention. Fill in the blanks with abstract nouns made from the words given in brackets. Now here it is beauty, beautiful to beauty. Friend, friendship. Punish, punishment. Invent, invention. Happy, happiness. Bitter, bitterness. Absent, absence. Shy, shyness. Alright, this also exercise will copy down. And countable and uncountable nouns. Now we will learn. Okay, countable nouns which we can count. One chalk, two chalks. But water is there. We cannot say one water, two waters. Yeah. So example. Book, boys, bottles, houses, museums, parks, sacks, piles. These are all countable nouns. Now which we cannot count. Material nouns we can't count. Okay. Sugar, salt, liquid, gold, iron. We cannot say milk. We can say a cup of milk. Yeah. So here we go. Now countable nouns, a, n and one are used with singular nouns. Example, a pen, an apple, a peacock, an axe, a clock, an eagle. It is qualified by many and a few and numbers. Example, two pencils, a few students, many pens. Uncountable nouns, a, n or one are not used with uncountable nouns. We cannot say one milk, okay, one sugar, okay? Qualified by much and a little. We have to use for that much. A little sugar, much sugar. Much water, a little sugar. Here also this exercise I have filled for you children. So all of you will copy this down. This is your homework. That's it. No other homework. Okay? So bye everybody. Take care.